All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about building slow and not building fast, okay? And I'm going to tell you why that's so important, and then we're going to talk a little bit more just about low overhead and then keeping out of the rat race on your business, okay? So when I talk about building slow and not fast, one of the things that can happen to your business, and I talked about this a little bit when we were talking about building out a sales team, is you can get explosive growth that you're not ready for. I will tell you that building a business and scaling it a lot of times can happen really, really quickly, and if it starts to spiral out of control, it's hard to gather everything back in. And what happened with us is when we built our company and it exploded right from the get-go, we were not at all prepared for the work that we were doing. And guys, we almost lost our company twice because of it. And everyone that starts a business, it's not all, like I said, going to do like this. You're going to have these huge valleys. I'm sure some of you have seen some of the the memes out there, like it's a business owner where it's got, oh, things are going great. Oh, we suck. Oh my God, we're going to be millionaires. We're going bankrupt. And that's an emotional roller coaster all of us that own a business go through. No matter how well your business is structured or what videos you watch, you're going to go through moments where you're going to have struggles with your business. And I promise you that building slow is going to help you reap rewards faster than you trying to scale it as soon as possible. There are a lot of guys out there who have owned companies in the past, and now they sold their companies. A lot of them just sold their companies, and now they're consultants, or their company wasn't as successful as they made it out to be, and they just moved over to be a consultant full time. I'm not saying to never work with those guys. I'm just saying be careful, because at the end of the day, they're trying to get money from you. Okay, just like everybody else, they're trying to get money from you. Some of them are going to be really good at helping you scale your company. I'm doing this. I'm selling you a product because I'm trying to help you start a company. The point is that you need to just be careful that there's resources out there, and some of them are good or some of them are bad. And these people who promise that they're going to 10x your company or 20x your company in a year, the amount of money that you need to do that is ridiculous. And you have to get lucky a lot of times to not screw that up. Because when I told you about cash flow before, if you build your company too fast and you do not have the infrastructure in place, you don't have the CRMs in place, you don't have the accounting in place, you don't have lines of credit in place, you don't have lawyers in place, your contracts in place. I know it seems like I'm talking about a lot of stuff, and if you're just coming in this and you're in business, you're probably like your head spiraling, and that's exactly what's going to happen, except for now you're going to be dealing with people's lives at stake. Your life's going to be in stake. Your reputation of your business is in stake. Good Lord. And then, of course, going bankrupt is always an option, okay? So just understand, when you start building too fast, you can get in a lot of trouble really quickly. Building slow allows you to put processes in place, allows you to get established in your CRM, get your accounting under control, taxes, how you're going to pay yourself, how you're going to pay your staff, and slowly build. And I've told you in the past, when you build out your teams, work as hard as you can until you have to hire somebody in. And work as hard as you can until you have to hire someone in, and slowly build out your team, slowly build out your companies, and that's going to be a huge success how's a good way of saying this? See, I got the cough and now I can't say it. It's going to allow you to have a lot of success, and you're not going to have these big regressions like a lot of us have, okay? And the last thing I'm going to say about this is, with the low overhead, staying out of the rat race. Guys, if you follow these rules that I've told you, start your company, you're going to have success, okay? You will have success, I promise you. Just continue to work hard. You're going to have success. Just understand, as you have those successes, don't look at any other company, because they don't know how you're ran. You don't know how they're ran. You don't know if they've got a financial backer. You don't know if they took out a big loan from a bank. So if you run into some guy who's like, oh yeah, I've been my third year in business, here's my $80,000 truck, and I got 10 salespeople, they all drive $80,000 trucks. He may barely be making his nut every month and at the brink of bankruptcy. Stay out of that rat race. Stay with the rules that I've given you about the low overhead, building slow, and then maintaining high profits with high cash flow, okay? Never, ever, ever worry about what everybody else is doing.